Another headline on the screen tonight. Children praying underneath the sky. Mothers crying, fathers holding on, wondering where the peace has gone. The rich keep talking, the poor keep paying, the world keeps turning, the people waiting. Different colors, different names we claim, but deep inside we're all the same. No more wars, no more hate, no more fear deciding fate. One world, one heart, one light shining across the oceans. Our souls align and hold my hand, don't let go tonight. Together we can be the light. One world, one dream, one tomorrow, healing the pain, ending the sorrow. No matter where we come from now, we rise as one, we rise somehow. From Manila to New York City, from tearing streets to every country, people wishing for a better day, trying to find a safer way. The future